Hi guys, this is Leslie coming to you from the McAllen Public Library Teen Department, and today we are going to work on these really cool corner bookmarks. So these are super easy to make. You can actually make them at home and you use them to hold your spot on your book. We're gonna go ahead and show you the steps in a little bit, and all you need really is origami paper. So this is 6 by 6 inch paper, and if you don't have origami paper at home, you guys can actually use just regular piece of paper. If you have construction paper, that works too, and we're gonna go ahead and show you the steps right now.
Alright, so for those of you who don't have origami paper at home, I'm going to be showing you how to make your computer paper into a square. You can also do this with your construction paper, but it's a little bit thicker, so it's harder. And as you can see on the back, I measured out 6 by 6 so that you could cut out your perfect square without having to do what I'm about to do. And okay, so you're going to take one corner and you're going to fold it over so that the edge of the corner meets the bottom of the paper. And now it looks like a triangle. You have a little point right there at the end. And you're gonna crease it. And I use a ruler to help me flatten it out because it just makes things easier. You don't have to, it's just a suggestion. And then you're gonna see that there is excess on the side that you're gonna want to cut off. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just make it as perfect as you want it. And I'm going to be using the excess to make a smaller corner bookmark if you want that, and I'll show you that in a minute. So you're going to do the same thing you did with your regular paper. You're going to take one corner. You're going to have the edge meet the bottom of the paper, so you're making another little triangle, a little point, crease it, and cut off the excess. So now we have a big triangle and a tiny triangle. To show you what you have, the square that's creased in half, and a tiny square that's creased in half. Okay. So now we're going to fold our square again. And then you will take one of the sides and have it meet the top point. So the edges meet on the side, again like we did in the beginning. We're going to crease it. I'm going to open it up, show you what it looks like. Fold it back down so that it can help you when you take the next corner and do the same thing. So now it looks like you have a square with a crease in the middle. Open it up, show you what it looks like. You'll have a square with two triangles on the side. Fold it down to show you what it looks like again. And then your next step is to take one side of your flap. Here I'm struggling to open it up. Hopefully you have less trouble. There we go. And then you're going to take this flap and you're just going to bring the point down to meet the creases that you made earlier. So you're making another triangle. And now you should look like you have the Zelda Triforce. Beautiful. And then you'll take the edges that you made earlier, fold them to the middle again, but this time you're going to fold them into the crease you just made. Take the other side and do the same thing. Fold it over the top. And there you have it. Now mine's not perfect, but I'm sure you guys will do better at home.
Show us your awesome designs by tagging #MPLTeens. I hope you guys had fun, and we'll see you guys next time.